Soften. Is that okay? Now think, refreshing the canter aid, working and sculpting it with your fingers in the front end. Good. Leg and seat keep the canter refreshed. That's a beautiful canter. It's all right. There's a little lack on the refresh button there. Dropping that neck down, make her a little deeper. There.
Oh, lovely.
Leg. Leg. Sit back, outside rein, leg. Working your wrist, soften. Good. Bend right. Nice, Tanner. One more time around. Good. And trot. Now right side, step her over into that right flexion. And go across the diagonal. Neck down a little bit deeper. Forward. Change your posting. Good. Outside hand down. Really good there. That's lovely. Sit. Good. And sit. Really outside range, not too much left hand. Circle.